Hey everybody, and welcome back, or welcome to Creative at Home. Today is Summer of Squishies number 4. And today we're going to be opening Tic Tac paper squishy blind bags. And this is a collab with A to Z Crafting. She just hit 100 subscribers not too long ago. There's going to be a card up in the corner, so make sure you go check out her channel and subscribe to her. So let's just get on with the video. So we have 3 blind bags. And also, these took me like 2 weeks. I had to restart them over, I think, 3 times. They took so long. So yeah. If you don't know how blind bags work, there's basically going to be a paper squishy in it. And they're going to range from common, rare, and ultra rare. So in each one of these blind bags is a different squishy. And I'm just going to be opening them up and showing you the squishy. So yeah, I'm just going to close my eyes and mix them up and choose whichever one I find. Alrighty, I choose this one. So, we're just going to cut this open. And I didn't make a guide to go with this because I was just going to tell you. And I did make some guides on some of the back. And I was going to make 4, but I didn't have time to. So, just opening these up. And it looks like there's this little package. And it says, you got a light purple squishy. So that means light purple is mega rare. So that's excuse me, ultra rare. So we got an ultra rare squishy. So this is pretty good. But spoiler alert, this was probably my least favorite squishy. And oh, we've got something inside here. We've got this cool tie-dye rainbow painted rock and this Mickey Mouse cupcake pin. That is so cute. I love it. So yeah, let's just open the squishy. So inside the blind bag, we've got this, and we've got the tissue paper, so I'm just going to unwrap it in 3, 2, 1. So this is the mega rare, and we got the Tic Tac popcorn paper squishy. And comment down below if you would eat popcorn flavored Tic Tacs. Yeah, so if you're wondering why this is my least favorite, it's because the design, I kind of rushed it, and yeah, and I didn't do the sides or anything, but it's pretty squishy. And also I got another bag of polyfill, so yeah. So for the ultra rare, we have Tic Tac popcorn. So put that right there. Alright, now we're gonna open this blind bag. So let's just cut it open. And I'm trying to move quick so this won't be too long. Alrighty, so we've got the squishy and looking for a little package. Oh, here it is. You got a orange squishy. So orange is a common squishy. So the next one we get should be a rare squishy. So inside we got this star puffy paint necklace. This is super cute. I love this. And we also got this, I think there's one more thing. Yep. We got a unicorn Swiss roll charm. That is so cute. I love how it comes with some extra stuff. Alrighty. Now let's open. This is our rare paper squishy Tic Tac. This is our common. So opening in 3, 2, 1. So for the common squishy, we got probably my favorite one, the Tic Tac Fruit Adventures. And this one is so good because I feel like I did so good on this part, and I colored all the sides and the bottom and the top. I didn't do the back, but I used pillow stuffing for this. Not polyfill, but just some stuffing I took from a pillow. Yeah, so I'll do a little bit of ASMR. Yeah, so this one is super good. I love it. So this was the common one. So now let's open our last paper squishy blind bag. So this one should be the rare one. Also, sorry about like all this stuff. Like, this is a drawing I was working on, all my paper squishy supplies. My desk is such a mess. I think I'm gonna have to do like a desk cleaning video pretty soon, because that would be kind of cool. Alrighty, I can kind of see the squishies, so I don't. This one's probably my second favorite. So we got a pinks. So that would be the rare. So inside we got this puffy paint ring. Look at that, you guys. That is so cute. And this cupcake hot glue glitter. We got this cupcake hot glue glitter kind of charm thingy. I don't know, I just made this totally random. So yeah, that's super cute. And opening our last paper squishy. 1, 2, 3. And for our rare, we got the Tic Tac apple mix paper squishy, which is not that squishy. I think I'm gonna refill it maybe in the future. Give you some ASMR. Yeah, so this one is really good. I did the sides and the bottom and the top. So yeah, let's just look at all the squishies we opened in our Tic Tac paper squishy blind bags. So we got, for the common, we got Tic Tac Fruit Adventures. For the rare, we got Tic Tac Apple Mix. And for the ultra rare, we got Tic Tac popcorn flavored. So these were our 3 squishies we got in our paper squishy blind bags. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below what video you want to see next and any blind bag videos, and if you want to collab. I have a couple more collabs, so please just be patient with me. I want to try and do collabs with all of you, but I still want to be able to have time to do other videos for you people that might watch my crafting videos or my drawing videos or my aerial silk videos. So yeah, comment down below what series you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!